Hi everyone. Today we have reached a milestone in this channel, and as a thank you gift, I would like to give away something special, very special to everyone watching this video. It doesn't matter if you are new to this channel and this is the absolute first video you're watching, or you've been following along for years. Uh, just stick around till the end of the video and I will tell you exactly how to claim the gift. I'm Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery, and we have just reached 20,000 subscribers. And I would like to take you through our journey, a journey of 20 years, and how we reached till here. It all started when I was 8. I saw a cousin stitching a beautiful pillowcase with just 3 stitches. And I was baffled. I was like, wow, 3 stitches can make such a beautiful pillowcase. I really want to learn hand embroidery. After dabbling with a lot of different crafts like paper craft, painting, calligraphy, gardening, I decided to give hand embroidery a chance. And hand embroidery got added to the list. The real game changer was when I married my husband and I moved to Italy to live with him. Oh, when I reached there, I had some time to kill. I wanted to do hand embroidery, but there were no good resources online. Now, I'm talking about like 20 years ago. We didn't have social media, Instagram, YouTube, unheard of. We didn't even have smartphones. So it was difficult for me to actually refer anything online. So I started complaining. Then the great idea was born. Why not we make a website where we put all the stitches categorized neatly so that anyone else who's suffering like me can refer? And that is how we started our website. Look how our earlier website looked like. Look at the banner. You see that? Embroidery? That's the Assisi embroidery that I had stitched on our first baby's blanket. Everything that you see in the website, all the pictures, the layout, the videos, the website itself, everything was planned, scripted, photographed, edited, and laid out by us. No studio, no fancy equipment, well, not even a selfie light. We also learned quite a lot along the way. For instance, if rice stitch is the same as seed stitch or they're not, why is it called rice stitch? Why is it called seed stitch? And saying Eskimo is offensive, so change the name of Eskimo laced edging to laced edging stitch. I also got to christen some of the stitches that did not have name, like the meandering stitch, the fairy light stitch, the gut raincoat stitch, or the clown collar stitch. I also named a stitch after my mom, that is the Susan Snot, because apparently I learned that stitch first from my mom. But life moved on and family took priority. I started posting lesser and I started commenting and responding to comments lesser. You know how new motherhood can be. And anyway, after a few years when I returned, the online world had changed completely. There was a whole list of social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and it kind of overwhelmed me. I kind of felt that I missed the train. But what disheartened me the most was that a lot of content from my free website, my free content, was lifted and used without credit or consent. But we were not disheartened. We decided to publish an ebook, something that a lot of our readers had been asking us for, thanks to them. And our first book was published in 2019. 4 years ago, we dived into YouTube, an already saturated platform, but we knew it was essential to get video tutorials to our readers. And here we are now with 20,000 subscribers. For us, it means a lot because it means that you have trusted us to make video tutorials of hand embroidery for you. So every like, every share, every comment, every view has actually helped us in growth. So it's not just our success, it's yours as well. So thank you very much. We wouldn't have had made it this far without you guys. And if you have sat this far and heard me talk, congratulations. You deserve the gift that I'm going to give you. All that you have to do to claim this special gift is comment on this video below. If you have been following along for a long time, let us know how you find our channel. Let us know how you find our videos. Tell us about your journey with hand embroidery, how hand embroidery has helped you, maybe after a stressful day or to de-stress your life. Whichever way, I would genuinely would like to read each and every story of yours. And if this is your very first video from our channel, I would say please go and check our playlist. In fact, I will drop a link to a playlist in the description that you can check out. Go and check a few videos of ours. Come back and comment on how you find it. In fact, first impressions, I'd like to know what it is. So after you comment, please scan the QR that I'm showing here, or just go to the description and pick up the link to subscribe to our free newsletters. They're absolutely free. Now, the reason why I'm asking you to subscribe is because on 31st of July, I will be emailing you the gift coupons. The gift is a free 1-month membership to my Patreon, where you'll have access to patterns, videos, and projects, everything till date. And that'll be for a month. Along with that, you will also get a discount coupon, a discount code to any of my ebooks. So once again, I would like to thank you for being with us through this journey and help us grow in YouTube, help us grow to become 20,000 subscribers and more. There's a lot of effort that goes behind each video. Everything from the scripting to the shooting to the editing, voice, everything is done at our very small desk and by ourselves. So it means a lot, even now when I post a video, I dearly sit and pray that you guys like it and I get to know about it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.